to convert Word docs to PowerPoint with Microsoft's Copilot AI tool. Are you tired of manually recreating your Microsoft Word documents into PowerPoint presentations? Look no further. With Microsoft's innovative Copilot AI tool, you can now seamlessly convert your Word docs into engaging PowerPoint slides in just a few clicks. This innovative feature streamlines your workflow, saving your precious time and efforts, while ensuring your presentations are polished and professional. In this step-by-step guide, GadInsider will walk you through the simple process of using Copilot to transform your Word content into compelling PowerPoint presentations. Start by opening the Word document you want to convert to PowerPoint. Click on the Home tab in the top navigation bar. Look for the Copilot button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Copilot button to enable it. Select the content in your Word document that you want to convert to PowerPoint. You can select entire sections, paragraphs, or even individual sentences. Once you've selected the content, click on the Copilot button again. Type Convert to PowerPoint in the Copilot chat window and press Enter to execute the command. Copilot will then ask you to choose a PowerPoint template. Browse through the available templates and select the one that best suits your needs. Copilot will convert your selected Word content into a PowerPoint presentation. You can then customize your PowerPoint as needed, adding images, charts, or other elements. Once you're happy with your PowerPoint, click on the File tab and select Save As and choose a location to save your PowerPoint file.